Hi Drastic Cuties! Today we're going to draw Blake the bunny from Squishy Squooshems. So let's get started. To draw this cute bunny, we're going to first start by drawing the top of its head. So I'm going to come here and just draw a slight curve. About like that much for the top of the head. And from there I'm going to start to build the head, which is kind of its body. Just one big marshmallow, it looks like. Squishy bunny. So from there I'm just going to start to draw a curve that comes all the way down. It's just going to be nice and round and soft. Soften my curve right here. Okay, so then from there I'm just going to keep bringing it down. I'm just going to widen it out as I go. Oops. And it's about the same level, and then from there I can bring it, continue it down and getting wider as I go. And from there I'm going to start to bring it in. And now we can finally connect it. There, so I have this big roundish shape in with the top is narrow and the bottom is wider. Then from there, let's come back up here and draw the bunny ears. So we come to the top and we're just going to draw a curve down and bring it all the way down. Say about right here where it starts to curve down. And we're going to bring it in. So very, very simple. So let's do the same thing on here, this side. So once again, and we're just going to go all the way down to, let's give ourselves a point so we know where to stop. So about right there. And I'm just going to bring my curve down. And start to bring it in and back. There, I got the two little bunny ears in. And then let's come and draw the part right here in the tummy. So I'm going to come about right here. I'll just give myself a point so it's going to be even on both sides. And I'm just going to draw a curve up. Big round curve all the way. So about the center is going to be the top. About right there. And we're going to start to bring it down. There, got a nice big curve in for the tummy. And then now let's bring its cute little face to life. So we're gonna come in this area, say about right here in the center, and we draw a little oval for his nose. And I'll just shade that in. And then we're gonna straight line down and then curve it out. And curve it out on both sides and cap it off. And then come to the side right here and draw happy, happy curved eyes. So it's just down. I'm just going to flick it up a little bit and I'll thicken it up. And so it's the same thing on this side. And thicken it up. So hopefully you guys have seen these pillows. They're so cute and so soft. I had to draw one for you at least. So right here, we're going to draw some whiskers. So to the side right here, just going to draw two angle lines. And so same thing on this side. So about right here. And draw two angle lines. And oh, of course, because this is a Squishmallow, a Draw So Cute Squishmallow, we're going to come here and draw a little heart on the side. So there, hope you guys love how this cute little bunny turned out from Squishy Squooshems. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.